Hey guys, so I forgot to have you guys write your names on the check-in yesterday, so I don't know who scored what. So I'm just going to go ahead and say everyone's excused from the Google Meets today. Just make sure you fill in that attendance form, and then I'm going to go over the most missed question. For the most part, everyone kind of got the same answers for all the questions, and this was the most missed question, the very, very last one. And if we had to review a question, like this is a great one to review because it kind of combines all of the different skills that we learned into one problem. Okay, so remember in math, it's kind of using the different tools and skills that you have learned and figuring out which tools you could use in order to solve the problem. Sometimes you might use different tools in different orders. That's okay as long as you have the same answer. So we are looking for this missing angle on the outside of the triangle. We know that a triangle will add up to 180 degrees if you added up all the angles. And we also know that a straight line will add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so the one that I really need is the straight line one, right? That one definitely applies because if I knew this angle, I could easily figure out that angle. But since I don't know this angle, I have to use this little triangle tool in order to find out that angle. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and figure out this inside angle using this triangle principle. And I'm just going to take 180 minus 63, and that is 180 minus 63, 117. And then I'm going to take that, subtract 86, and I have 31 degrees. Okay, so that's going to make this problem a lot easier now that I know that this angle is 31 degrees. Okay, so now I can go ahead and use this little line principle where I know that the angle of a straight line is 180 degrees, and I know that this angle is 31 now. So I can go ahead and take 180 minus 31, and I am going to get 149 degrees. So that would be your answer. We were looking for the angle of this outside of the triangle angle. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. For today, after you've reviewed this video, you're just going to work on any missing work, whether it's missing work that is marked on campus or if it's just missing on Google Classroom. If you need help figuring out what work you're missing, feel free to ask. Everyone in class got a little notification, like a little sticky note from me on what they needed to work on. If you would like to know what you need to work on and you're not sure what it is, feel free to ask. See you later, guys.